Welcome back to So Lead Saturday. I'm Chibi version of Vaishali Lambe, and today we are talking about what leaders misunderstand about AI from a leadership perspective. What leaders misunderstand about AI is not just a technology topic, it is a strategy topic. The key insight is, AI is not just a tool decision, it is an operating model decision. Many leaders make the mistake of treating AI as a software purchase, but AI adoption is really an operating model change. It affects people, workflows, governance, measurement, trust, and decision-making. Let's break this down into 3 parts. First, why does this matter now? AI is no longer just a research conversation. It is becoming part of everyday work. Teams are using it to summarize information, automate repetitive tasks, analyze documents, generate content, support decision-making, and improve customer experiences. But this creates a challenge. When every tool claims to be intelligent, leaders and professionals need a better way to separate hype from real value. That brings us to the second point. What do most people misunderstand? Most people focus too much on the tool and not enough on the workflow. A tool can be impressive in a demo, but if it does not fit into the way people actually work, it will not create lasting impact. This is why so many AI pilots look exciting at first but struggle to scale. The real question is not whether AI can produce an answer. The real question is whether that answer is useful, trusted, measurable, and connected to a decision or action. Now let's make this practical. Imagine a team trying to improve a recurring workflow. Maybe they are reviewing customer feedback, preparing weekly reports, answering internal questions, creating product documentation, or analyzing operational risks. Without AI, people spend hours collecting information, cleaning it, summarizing it, formatting it, and communicating it. With AI, parts of that workflow can become faster. AI can help gather information, summarize patterns, draft outputs, and highlight risks or opportunities. But humans still provide judgment. That is the balance we need to remember. AI should not remove accountability. AI should reduce friction. AI should not replace leadership. AI should improve clarity. AI should not create more noise. AI should help people focus on what matters. This is especially important in enterprise environments. In large organizations, AI adoption depends on trust, governance, data quality, stakeholder alignment, and change management. A powerful model is not enough. You need clear use cases, clean inputs, defined ownership, evaluation criteria, human review, risk controls, and a feedback loop. That is what turns AI from a cool experiment into a useful system. For leaders, the action step is simple. Pick one workflow where your team repeatedly spends time searching, summarizing, formatting, or transferring information. Map the current process. Identify the friction. Decide where AI can assist. Define what must remain human. Then test it with a small pilot and measure the outcome. For professionals, the action step is this. Build your AI translation skill. Do not only learn tools. Learn how to explain what the tool does, where it helps, where it fails, and how it connects to business value. That translation skill is becoming one of the most important career advantages in the AI era. For creators and builders, the lesson is also clear. Do not just create random AI outputs. Build repeatable systems. One idea can become a podcast episode, a short video, a LinkedIn post, a newsletter, a thumbnail, and a learning asset. But only if the workflow is designed intentionally. That is the real power of AI systems. Not magic, not hype, not automation for the sake of automation. The real power is helping people think better, work faster, and communicate more clearly. Before we close, here is the leadership takeaway. In the AI era, the advantage goes to people who can simplify complexity, connect technology to real outcomes, and build systems that people can actually use. That is what effective AI leadership looks like. Thank you for listening to So Lead Saturday. If this episode helped you think differently, follow the podcast, share it with someone building in this space, and send me one topic you want me to simplify next. I'm Chibi version of Vaishali Lambe, and I'll see you in the next episode.